Welcome back to yet another episode of Style with me. Hello everyone, I'm archanasankarimage, designer, stylist and image consultant. So if any one of you new here, please consider subscribing. And once you subscribe, please do not forget the bell icon. So let's dive right in. So as you all know, I have already started with a series on Style with me. Now today I'm going to do a very different, very exclusive, very adventurous lungi look. Yes, I'm in love with drapes. I would love to do different drapes of sari drapes and lungi drapes and many other drapes. So this is the first lungi look for you. Now this lungi look is not a regular look. I have done another episode before, so if you're not seen that, please go check it out. But it's a normal, very everyday kind of wearing a lungi looks which I've done. But this one is very alternate, I would say, a little bohemian, little adventurous sort of a lungi look. So for this I'm going to show you all the elements that are going into the whole thing. Let's take a look at that. So I'm going to use this lungi, which as you can see is very unique. It's got very beautiful different kind of print. It's got the mustache and the beard and all kinds of masculine motifs it has got on it. And with this I'm going to pair a shirt sort of a jacket. As you can see, it's got shirring at the waist, and it's got a collar and a long sleeve. It's a very it creates a lot of drama, this whole thing. And I'm going to wear this open like a jacket, and inside I'm going to wear a black simple tank tops. And the jewelry that I'm going to take here are as I love, as you guys know, I love layering. So I'm going to use two of my favorite neck pieces. So one is this black stone one. You know, it's a little shiny and little opaque there, and a very old piece. And then with that I'm going to use this neck piece which is made of sugar beads and sequins, as you can see. And with this I'm also going to wear on my hand some wooden bangles. As you can see, there are these heavy ones which are very geometrical, and this is a studded kind of a studded one here, and these are the ones on my hand. And I'm also going to pump up the look with this belt of mine. So this is a leather belt with a lot of engraving on it, and it has got a very rustic look about the whole thing. And the footwear that I prefer to use for this is again the boot, and which is again very rustic looking. It's got a lot of buckles and studs on it, a suede black with a lot of silver colored studs on it. The last accessory that I'm going to put into it is this cap or hat. It is a peak beret. As you can see, it's a very smart looking thing with all the details and the peak. So without further delay, let's go get ready. So all of you saw that look. I believe that you've loved the look, and I would love you guys to experiment. As I told you, this is just a style direction for you guys. So be inspired and assemble your own things, assemble your own looks, and put out your own signature look and rock it. So I'll be seeing you soon. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy, stay positive. Signing off, Archana Shankar.